Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the morning edition of the weather briefing video. This is James Spann. This is the update for Friday, August the 12th. A drier air mass beginning to drop into the northern part of Alabama today. How about that? And much of the state, maybe not all, but much of the state will be rain-free over the weekend for a change. Here we go. We'll check out the upper air look across the country early this morning. We've got the big ridge back in the western states and a downstream trough over the east. And we have a northerly flow aloft pushing a surface boundary through here. And like we talk about, we don't call them cold fronts this time of the year because there's no cold air involved, obviously, but there is dry air involved. And if you're in the northern part of the state, you'll begin to see that today. We'll check the radar early this morning at the insane hour of 5 o'clock when I'm doing this update live. You can see showers along the Gulf Coast to start the day from near Gulfport, Pascagoula, back over toward Panama City Beach and Indian Pass. But for the rest of Alabama, it is a dry start to the day. Temperatures generally in the 70s. We're expecting highs today. Again, 87 to 91 for most locations this afternoon. There's the watch warning map across the country early this morning. We have flash flood watches for some of the western states with that monsoon flow, but really much of the nation is very quiet. And the only severe weather risk today, way up in the northwest, parts of Montana and Idaho. Otherwise, no organized severe weather expected. This is tomorrow. Much of Alabama should be in dry air. If we have a storm, tomorrow should be over the far southern part of the state near the Gulf Coast. Even there, probably not much rain. And the same thing on Sunday. No organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And after a fairly dry weekend and Monday, we'll start to see moisture coming back Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. This is the rain through Friday morning of next week, and the average amounts 1/2 to 1 inch, and of course, your number will vary this time of the year. And look here, this is August the 12th. We are now into the peak of the hurricane season, and I just got nothing to show you across the Atlantic basin. Not a single tropical wave to discuss, no tropical storms, no hurricanes, at least for the next 5 days. We can celebrate that. This peak runs between now and really the first to mid part of October. The climatological peak of the season every year comes around September the 10th. We hope it stays quiet, but at some point things will probably start to shake and bake out there. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. The upper high is off to the west. And again, we have a northerly flow aloft here, pushing in drier air. Better chance of showers today along and south of Interstate 20 by midday, and then this afternoon over the southern half of the state south of US 80. Highs 87 to 91, the sky partly sunny. Tomorrow, much of the state in dry air. This is precipitable water tomorrow afternoon. All the shades of green over the northern half of the state, that's that dry air. The deeper moisture near the immediate Gulf Coast. So any scattered showers and storms tomorrow. South of US 84, and even there, probably not that much rain. And the high should be fairly close to 90. Same thing Sunday. Much of the state dry, maybe a few isolated showers for the southern quarter of the state. Monday of next week, still looking pretty dry. Any showers should be few and far between. The high Monday close to 90. Tuesday, moisture comes back, so we'll bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms. Same thing on Wednesday. Highs mostly mid to upper 80s. This is Thursday of next week. Looks a little drier, and this is a week from today, Friday the 19th of August. A little trough north and west of the state. And again, that looks like we'll have some chance of at least scattered showers and storms. Highs 87 to 90, just not that bad for this time of the year. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 21st. Got a trough to the north, and that looks kind of quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. You're looking for the green line on that chart. The mean running between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 27th of August. Temperatures, highs around 90 today and tomorrow, maybe low 90s Sunday, Monday. After that, mostly 80s for a while. And again, the latest 8 to 14 day guidance in the house. This is for August 19th through August the 25th. We are in the blue. And we can celebrate that in August. Temperatures will likely be below average across much of the central and southern United States. Did you see the water spout down at Destin yesterday? I've never seen one in person. I'm the only person on the planet that hasn't. But very photogenic water spout. That was about 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon. I'd love to be the guy in that boat right there. I mean, that's your really close-up view of that water spout. And that's not a supercell water spout. In association with a severe storm, that's more the fair weather type water spouts that they see often on the Gulf Coast. And we're not having any more of these. Now everybody's got a phone, and with social media, you just see them. I probably had at least 24 videos of this thing, but that's pretty cool. Maybe one day I'll see one. The problem is I just don't get down there much anymore. Around here, we had the big downpours that was taken at Logan Martin Lake yesterday. Had some flooding in spots. And this is more of a drainage problem here. This is Tuscaloosa on 10th Avenue. Just a classic summer downpour there. But still, even with a drainage problem, I would not really want to drive through that. And we had the supermoon overnight, which was a good thing and a bad thing. It was just beautiful, but the bad thing, it prevented us from seeing the Perseid meteor. The Perseid meteor shower is peaking right now. And with that bright, bright, bright sturgeon full moon, supermoon, you just can't see any meteors. But still, that was a pretty cool sight. I think the clouds moved out for a lot of folks to see that last night. So that's it for the morning edition of the weather briefing video. Today, I will be in Greensboro, down in Hale County. I'll be seeing all the students at Southern Academy, getting into that time of the year where I'm in a school every day between now and May of next year, which is always the greatest part of the day. We'll have notes on the blog. That is alabamawx.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.